In a bustling cafe, a scientist named Dr. Quirk was explaining hiccups to his friend, Max. You see, Max, hiccups are just the diaphragm throwing a tantrum, he said, sipping his coffee. Max, ever the skeptic, replied, So, it's like a mini earthquake in your chest? Dr. Quirk chuckled. Exactly. But instead of shaking buildings, it just makes you sound like a squeaky toy. Just then, Max hiccuped loudly, causing everyone to turn and stare. See? Dr. Quirk grinned. Your diaphragm just wanted to join the conversation.